Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Akila and I'd love for you guys to join. So, I changed the setting on my camera. I've been going through, working with it, and I think I finally found a pretty good quality, pretty good little setting. So, this is it. This is what it looks like. I'm looking kind of rough right now. It's looking a little rough, but that's okay. These are the cookies I will be making. They're delicious. I think I've shown them in a previous vlog. I'm not totally for sure, but those are the best ones. I love them so much. I thought I'd vlog. I'm not really doing anything. Just kind of chilling and relaxing. Wow, this is really good quality. I need to start filming in this more often. I can't believe I never did this before. It's really windy here today too. It was raining earlier, but now it's just really windy. I thought somebody was breaking into my house, to be honest, because I heard a loud bang like at the back door. I was just creeping my way on over, peeking around corners, looking, you know, when you're scared and you just... But yeah, that's what I'm doing. But now I'm just going to make some cookies. There's Clark. Clark! What you doing, big boy? What you doing? He's such a cutie. I'm such a cutie, but I'm so bad sometimes. Here comes my other dog. This is Rosie. We all know Rosie girl. Rosie's so calm. When they're with each other, they're not calm. But if they were separated, they'd be so much more calm. I filmed over the weekend, but I really did not like how that vlog turned out, honestly. Quality was not that good. I didn't like anything about the video. I filmed the 20th, I filmed the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and I just did not like the video at all. But yeah, also, I haven't told, I mean, I posted on my other social medias, but I did get two new tattoos for my birthday. I just got these two butterflies and then this rose. If my mother-in-law is watching this, I'm sorry. I know you don't like tattoos, but I do. But yeah, so I got two new tattoos. They were actually expensive, like here in Texas. I don't know if it's just here in Texas or the one I went to, but their house minimum was like $100. And usually, like if I go get them done in Missouri, when I was back in Missouri, they were like $60 minimums. But my mom got them for me. Thank you, Mom. She was gonna get a matching one, but they came out a little pricier than what she was expecting. But yeah, I think one day I'm gonna get this whole arm done. I don't know, I just like tattoos. I think ever since my mom got tattoos, I just kind of like wanted to be like her in a way, because whenever I got my belly button pierced, she already had her belly button pierced, but when I got my belly button pierced, I kind of wanted to be like her. I don't know. But I've always liked tattoos. A lot of my tattoos have meanings. Like when my dad passed away, I got a tattoo after him. This one says be strong. This one is my mom's birthday. This one is a flower. That scared me. I just put Taylor's motorcycle cover on and it keeps making a noise, so that's what scared me. But I'm gonna get the pan ready to... Where's the pan? Oh, what am I doing? Watch out! I'm gonna get the pan ready so I can put the cookies on. I think I'm still gonna put some foil on it. I'm trying to get a good angle here set up. I woke up this morning and told myself I really do need to start eating healthier. I need to eat a lot more vegetables and fruits, and here I go eating some cookies. But it's only 3, so it's okay. I haven't had any candy in a while, so... Look how lovely they look. Right now, right now it's 3:46 p.m. Not really doing anything, just like I said, waiting for the cookies to get done. I literally got the cutest message just a second ago. She's a YouTuber, also a military wife, and I subscribed to her channel, and she's subscribed back to mine. But she just said, "I've literally binge watched yours and Ivy's channel." That's so cute. And she said we need to collab. That'd be fun. I'll have to message her back. Also, I'm on the road to 400 subscribers. I've been trying to set small goals because I really just want to reach my subscribers. Like I said, one day I hope I can reach 1,000. But right now I'm just setting small goals. Once I hit 400 subscribers, I will be doing a Starbucks gift card giveaway. I think I'm going to do a $10 Starbucks gift card giveaway on my Facebook and then one on my Instagram, because some people that follow my YouTube channel are from my Instagram, and then some people that follow my YouTube channel are from my Facebook, and they don't follow me on Instagram. So I kind of want it to be even, to where people on my Instagram and people on my Facebook can, you know, what is the word I'm trying to think of? That's the giveaway I'm going to do once I hit 400, and we're almost there. We're 22 subscribers away. So if you want, make sure to share this video, and then maybe I can reach my goal. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting for the cookies to get done. I'm hungry. I have a lot of leftovers. My mom and Roger cooked out, so I have a lot of leftovers left over, which is really nice. So I need to eat some of those. I'll probably eat those for dinner. I had some pineapples this morning for breakfast, just something easy and simple, and plus I need to get my fruit in me anyways. Also, I've been looking online. Stupid flies. I've been looking online for a little wicker bookshelf, and I've been trying to find some sheep somewhere. I don't know how people always find them. I don't know if they go to the flea markets or what. I need to go to the flea market and hopefully... Ow. Ow, that really hurt. My face is breaking out so bad too. I don't know if I'm stressing or what, but my face is breaking out. But... also, the resin coasters that I made my brother, they just arrived at his house yesterday. They turned out really well. I'm so excited for them. Hopefully these ones turned out well too, because if they do, then I'm going to end up selling them either separately or as a set, since they both have snakeskin in it, so it'll match. But yeah, right now I'm just chilling. I haven't did a whole lot today. It's been a lazy day. I think I'm going to watch some Christmas movies, because tomorrow, I guess tomorrow I don't really have to do a lot. I placed an order for grocery pickup between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. So I got to be there between those times. And then after that, oh yeah, also I made some more resin pieces. So I'm thinking about actually selling these. These ones have a snake shed in them. I'll show you. So I have these earrings. They just have some snake shed in them. It needs pushed down a little more. And then this coaster just has some flowers in the creases, a big flower right there, and then two snake shed pieces that you can see on the outer portion. But yeah, I just decided to make those. I'm not really doing anything right now. I'm just gonna wait for my cookies to get done and probably start importing some clips from this video. What else was I gonna say? I was gonna say something else, but honestly I forgot. I don't know, I just really like this quality though. It gets out of focus, but it just needs to get back into focus. But really? Look how big Leroy's getting. He's getting so big. He looks so crazy, his little feet. But he's getting so big. Leroy, look. Is that you? Looky. Oh. He's so big. I can't wait until he gets really big. He can start running around on the floor. He is so big though. It's so crazy. I'm sorry, buddy. I put up the laundry, and now I'm currently packaging up Roger's belt because he left it here when they were down visiting. So now I have to ship that out. I'm getting ready to create a label. Somehow I forgot my password to the pirate ship. I heard that's a little cheaper for shipping, so that's what I'm doing. And plus I have my own little scale here and everything. So look at these cute packages that I got. So cute. But yeah, I'm gonna probably ship that out in the morning once I get everything printed out. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. I pretty much did everything that I needed to do today, and then hopefully I can get everything done tomorrow. And hopefully over the weekend I can just have a relaxing weekend. I really don't want to go anywhere or do anything, so I just honestly want to sit down and relax. Now I'm just, honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably nothing for the rest of the night. I'm probably going to import this video and edit it so it can be uploaded tomorrow. So that's what I'll do. I do have a little bit of cleaning to do, just like this stuff up here. You know, I like to get snacks in the middle of the night. But, other than that, I'm not really doing anything. I'm gonna end this video here and import it so I can upload it tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!